Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Be Inspired. By using this channel I am creating some educational videos based on the subject maths. Along with the educational videos I am creating some puzzles as well as giving some fast mathematical calculations. So please share, like, comment in my channel. Hi kids, welcome to my class. In our previous class we learned about some word problems. So today also we will start dealing with the word problems without getting late. Let's get started. So what is the first word problem here? He given to us: in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So what he is saying here, he said about two things. One is one person won with 5,77,500 votes and the other person also got 3,48,700 votes. How many more votes does that successful candidate got? So what we should do here, how many more means, yes, subtraction. So we will start the solution. Number of votes got for the successful candidate is equal to 5,77,500. Number of votes got for the rival candidate is equal to 3,48,700. Number of more votes got for the successful candidate is equal to minus 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5 is not possible, so borrow 15 and 6. 15 minus 7, yes, 8. 6 minus 8 is not possible, again borrow. It will become 16, this will become 6. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So how many more votes does the successful candidate got? 2,28,800. Okay, did you understand? Yes. Now move on to the next. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale of the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? See here he is asking two things, and there is a bookstore called Kirti's Bookstore and she sold books in first week of June and second week of June. In the first week she sold for 2,85,891 and in the second week she sold for 4,768 rupees. And he is asking how much money she got in the 2 weeks. Together means yes, addition. And one more thing he asked, which week she sold more and how much more. So both we should do here. What we should do? Both, yes, addition as well as subtraction. So first we will write addition. Amount, because it is money, so that is the reason I am writing amount earned in the first week. Amount earned in the first week. How much she earned? 2,85,891. Now in the same way, amount earned in the second week. How much she earned in the second week? 4,768,000. Total amount earned in 2 weeks is equal to, so add all these numbers, 1 plus 8, 9, yes, 6 plus 9, 15, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 5 plus 1, 6, 8 plus 0, 8, 2 plus 4, 6. So how much money she earned in these 2 weeks? 6,86,659. Now by seeing the question we can easily say that, coming to the second question, so subtraction, so bigger number minus smaller number, which is the bigger one here? Yes, second week she sold more. Now what is the question? In which week sale was greater and by how much? Second week sale was greater by how much means we should do subtraction. 4,768,000 minus 2,85,891. So just move on to the subtraction. 8 minus 1, yes, 7. 6 minus 9 is not possible, so we'll go for carry 16 and it will become 6. So 16 minus 9, yes, 7. Again 6 minus 8 is not possible, here 0. So first we will take borrow from 4 to 0 and then we will give borrow to 6. Okay. Now 16 minus 8 is, yes, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So how much money she earned more when compared to second week is 1,14,877. How much more money she earned in second week? 1,14,877. So finally in this question what we can understand, first we have to find out how much money she earned in first week and second week, and then we find how much more money she earned in the second week when compared to the first week. Yes, is it clear to you all? So in this word problems, what we in today's class what we learned, if here the given, see both are having subtractions and additions but in a different way. First one, how he given a successful candidate votes he given and failure candidate votes also he given. How many more votes, instead of asking how many more votes, he used a word called margin. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election, he asked. In the same way, the second one he is asking about, the second question he said that one girl named Kirti bookstore, so in that she is going to sell books in first month and second month. So totally how many books she sold, they are asking. How many books she sold, they are asking us. Okay, so how can we say that how much money she earned in the 2 weeks means, so we just simply done addition, and then how much more money she earned when compared to first second week to first week means we go for subtraction. Yes. So to prevent coronavirus, wash your hands of 20 seconds and 10 times regularly. Wear a face mask while going outside. Try to contact with the sick people and try to maintain social distance. And while you are getting cough or sneeze, please cover your nose. Thank you for watching.